Government programs for first-time buyer. Often I am asked about programs available for the first-time buyer which can help them achieve the dream of owning a home. There are various options and programs available. First of all, it is 5% down payment program. With as little as 5% down payment from personal or other sources, there is a list of eligible other sources. All home buyers have access to mortgage insurance, enabling them to enter the housing market as long as they can meet the standards of 5-year fixed rate mortgage. Mortgage insurance for 95% mortgages is available to both first time and repeat home buyers. Home buyers have option of using personal sources such as savings or gifts or other sources such as lender incentives, borrowed funds, credit or sweat equity for the required 5% down payment. Second and most important is RRSP Home Buyers Plan. If you are buying the qualifying home together with your spouse or other individual, each of you can withdraw up to $25,000 from your RRSP. The Home Buyers Plan is a program under which you can generally withdraw up to $25,000 from your RRSP to buy or build a qualifying home. Withdrawals that meet all Home Buyers Plan conditions do not have to be included in your income, and your RRSP issuer will not withhold tax on these amounts. However, before you can withdraw these funds, you must have entered into a written agreement to buy or build a qualifying home, which you must occupy no later than 1 year after buying or building the home. If you buy the qualifying home together with your spouse or other individual, each of you can withdraw up to $25,000. You cannot withdraw an amount from your RRSP under home buyers if you or your spouse has owned the home more than 30 days before the date of your withdrawal. The third is HST New Housing Rebate. You may be eligible to claim a rebate for the part of HST you pay on the purchase of your newly constructed home or the cost of building your home. The fourth option available is Land Transfer Tax Rebate. First-time buyer of new and resale homes are eligible to receive rebates of the provincial and Toronto land transfer tax. The maximum provincial land transfer tax rebate for a first-time buyer is $2,000 and maximum Toronto land transfer tax rebate for a first-time buyer is $3,725. And finally, the program available the first-time home buyer is the first-time home buyer tax credit. A first-time home buyer may be eligible for 15% income tax credit for closing cost. The first-time home buyer tax credit provides 15% credit on maximum of $5,000 of home purchase cost, example legal fee, land transfer tax, etc., meaning a maximum tax relief of $750. What it means is that the year you buy your taxes, after that when you go and do your tax from your accountant, you may be eligible to get a tax break of $750. The condition: an individual will be considered a first-time home buyer if neither the individual nor the individual spouse or common law partner owned and lived in another home in calendar year of home purchasing or in any of 4 preceding calendar years. Make sure to check all these issues and requirements before you go and do your taxes and claim the rebate. In case you need any further more information, you may email me at sunny@sunnybedi.com or you can call me at 416-826-6750. Me or my team members would be gladly able to help you and provide you with more information in order to make the biggest purchase of your life for a first-time home buy. Thank you and have a great day.